For years, many smartphone users have faced the frustration of expensive battery replacements, often being told it's easier to buy a new device than to fix the old one. This cycle has left countless people feeling powerless when their phone's battery starts to fade. But a major change is on the horizon. The European Union is set to introduce a groundbreaking rule that could allow users to replace their phone batteries at home without the need for specialized tools or costly service visits. This shift promises to make devices more user-friendly and could transform the way we think about smartphone ownership. The European Union's recent decision marks a pivotal moment for the global smartphone industry. By mandating user-replaceable batteries, the EU aims to fundamentally change how devices are designed, used, and maintained. This regulation has the potential to extend the lifespan of smartphones, making it easier and more affordable for consumers to keep their devices running longer. As manufacturers adapt to these new requirements, consumers could see reduced repair costs and less pressure to upgrade to new models frequently. Ultimately, this move not only empowers users, but also encourages a shift toward more sustainable and cost-effective technology worldwide. Modern smartphones are typically designed with sealed bodies and glued-in batteries, making it difficult for users to repair or replace the battery themselves. Unlike older phone models, such as classic Nokia or Samsung devices, where you could simply pop off the back cover and swap out the battery in seconds, today's phones often require specialized tools and technical skills just to open. This shift in design means that even a simple battery replacement can risk damaging the device or voiding the warranty. As a result, many users are forced to rely on expensive service centers or, in some cases, buy entirely new phones when the battery degrades. This not only increases costs for consumers, but also contributes to growing electronic waste. Manufacturers began shifting to sealed phone designs for several reasons. Sleeker aesthetics became a priority, as seamless bodies and thinner profiles appealed to consumers seeking modern, stylish devices. Sealed designs also made it easier to achieve higher levels of waterproofing, protecting phones from accidental spills and submersion. Additionally, integrating batteries and components helped optimize production costs and streamline assembly. Finally, by making batteries harder to replace, companies subtly encouraged users to upgrade their devices more frequently when battery performance declined. Starting February 18, 2027, the European Union will require that all smartphones, tablets, and similar electronic devices sold within its member states feature batteries that are easily removable and replaceable by users. This means you should be able to take out and swap your device's battery without needing specialized tools or risking damage to the device. The regulation specifies that only simple, commercially available tools, or those provided free with the product, can be used for this process. The goal is to make battery replacement accessible to everyone, not just technicians, and to encourage longer device lifespans. By making batteries user-replaceable, the EU aims to promote repairability and reduce electronic waste across the continent. The new regulation sets out clear requirements for manufacturers. Devices must be designed so that users can safely remove and replace the battery without risking damage to the device or the battery itself. Importantly, this process should not require any specialized or proprietary tools. Instead, users should be able to use simple tools that are either widely available or provided free of charge with the product. These measures aim to make battery replacement accessible to everyone, not just professionals or service centers. The regulation clearly defines the term end user to mean everyday consumers, not just engineers or professional technicians. This means that the new rules are intended to empower regular people to remove and replace their device batteries without needing specialized skills. Companies are required to ensure that any necessary tools are either widely available or provided at a reasonable price, eliminating monopolies on repair equipment. The goal is to make battery replacement accessible and affordable for everyone, not just those with technical expertise. The new European Union regulation will impact a wide range of devices, including smartphones, tablets, and cordless phones. Essentially, any device that currently uses a sealed or glued battery will need to comply with the new standards. This means popular products from major manufacturers, such as iPhones and Android phones, will be required to feature batteries that users can easily remove and replace. The rule is designed to cover most modern devices, ensuring that future models are built with repairability and user convenience in mind. The broader purpose behind the European Union's new regulation extends far beyond just making batteries easier to replace. By requiring user-removable batteries, the EU aims to significantly reduce electronic waste, as millions of devices are currently discarded each year simply due to battery failure. This initiative encourages longer product lifespans, allowing consumers to keep their devices in use for more years rather than replacing them prematurely. Ultimately, the regulation supports a shift toward greater sustainability in the tech industry, promoting responsible consumption and helping to minimize the environmental impact of discarded electronics. The European Union's new regulation on removable batteries is expected to influence not just European consumers, but the global smartphone market as well. Manufacturers typically prefer to standardize their device designs across regions to streamline production and reduce costs. As a result, countries like India are likely to see the same user-replaceable battery features in future devices, even though the rule is an EU mandate. This shift could lead to longer-lasting phones, more affordable repairs, and greater consumer empowerment worldwide. Ultimately, the EU's decision may set a precedent, encouraging other regions to adopt similar standards for sustainability and user rights. In the coming years, smartphones are expected to undergo noticeable changes as manufacturers adapt to new regulations. Devices may become slightly thicker to accommodate removable battery modules, but this shift will make repairs much simpler for everyday users. With easier access to batteries, consumers can expect lower repair costs and longer-lasting devices, as replacing a worn-out battery will no longer require a trip to a service center. These changes also give users more control over their devices, reducing dependency on manufacturers for basic maintenance. Overall, the move toward easier repairability and replaceable batteries represents a significant win for consumers, empowering them to extend the life of their smartphones and save money in the process. While the new EU regulation brings many benefits, it also introduces some notable challenges for manufacturers and consumers. Making batteries removable may compromise the waterproofing and sleekness that many users have come to expect from modern devices. Companies will need to redesign their products, which could result in slightly bulkier phones and tablets. Additionally, these design changes might lead to higher production costs, potentially causing an initial increase in retail prices. However, as the industry adapts and standardizes these features, such trade-offs may become less significant over time. This shift marks a pivotal moment in the evolution of personal technology. By making batteries easier to replace, users gain greater control over their devices, reducing reliance on manufacturers for simple repairs. It signals a move toward empowering consumers, allowing them to extend the lifespan of their electronics and make more sustainable choices. Ultimately, this approach not only benefits individuals, but also supports a broader vision of technology that is both accessible and environmentally responsible. We'd love to hear your thoughts on this major shift in smartphone design. Do you prefer the convenience of removable batteries, or are you a fan of the sleekness and durability of sealed devices? Your opinion matters, so share it in the comments below. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like and share. Stay tuned and subscribe for more insights on the latest tech changes.